Okay, guys, so I know that I had talked to you guys about some of the shipments that I got from, or packages that I got from Amazon from Prime Day. So I just wanted to show you guys, because I'm going to go ahead and start organizing the bathroom. So in this packet, they gave some pre-printed labels, so cotton balls, cotton swabs, floss, picks, cotton pads, hair accessories, and bath salts. And then you can just like kind of free for all for the ones that don't have the pre-printed label for. If for some reason you didn't see the Amazon unboxing that I did, I'll link it in this video, and then you can go back and just take a look at it as well. But I got a total of 6 of these little hope you guys can see these containers, and this is how it looks. So this is like the bottom half of it. See that? And let me just show you. And then this is the let me show you the top portion really quick. So this is what the lid looks like, and once you set it on top of each other, that's what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse all of these, clean them really good, and then I'll come back and label them, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay? To like see what it looks like. Those are what it looks like prior to me washing them. So I'm going to wash them, and then I'll come right back.